Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today we come back to the imitation plagiarism theme, and it's with lyrics this time. In Western literature and poetry, if you borrow a phrase or lines or verses, whatever, from another author, it is very definitely considered plagiarism. In Indian literature and poetry, it's not very black and white like that. In Urdu poetry in particular, it's very common to borrow a phrase or to borrow a couplet and either take it in a different direction or elaborate on whatever emotion that particular couplet is expressing. So for my first share, I want to share from a Dilip Kumar movie called Mela. It was a tremendous tragedy, this movie. Very good movie, but very, very sad. So the phrase that was borrowed, I'll read it out to you. Agha Mohammad Taqi Khan Taraki. He wrote, दुनिया के जो मज़े हैं, हरगिज़ वो कम न होंगे, चर्चे यूं ही रहेंगे, अफसोस हम न होंगे. So this means the fun that is in life, that's not going to ever reduce. And all of this talk and, basically people's lives go on, and I will not be sad. So what happened was, Naushad Saab was the music director for Mela, and Shakil Badayuni was the lyricist. So they decided to use this particular couplet for the title song of the movie. So, Ye Zindagi Ke Mele, right? So that's what Shakil Saab did. He changed the first two lines into Zindagi Ke Mele, and then he says, Duniya mein kam na honge, afsos hum na honge. And it was sung by Rafi Saab.
Ye zindagi ke mele, ye zindagi ke mele, ye zindagi ke mele, ye zindagi ke mele, ye zindagi ke mele. दुनिया में कम न होंगे, अफसोस हम न होंगे. दुनिया में कम न होंगे, अफसोस हम न होंगे. ये जिंदगी के मेले, ये जिंदगी के मेले. एक दिन पड़ेगा जाना, क्या वक्त क्या ज़माना. एक दिन पड़ेगा जाना, क्या वक्त क्या ज़माना. कोई न साथ देगा, सब कुछ यहीं रहेगा. कोई न साथ देगा, सब कुछ यहीं रहेगा. जाएंगे हम अकेले, जाएंगे हम अकेले, ये जिंदगी के मेले. दुनिया में कम न होंगे, अफसोस हम न होंगे. ये जिंदगी के मेले, ये जिंदगी के मेले, ये जिंदगी के मेले, ये जिंदगी के मेले.
Begana. This came out in 1963. It was the story of a happily married couple played by Dharmendra and Supriya Chaudhary. And into their lives, this conflict comes in the form of her former love, played by Shailesh Kumar. It's very interesting, the whole setup. The music for this movie was fabulous. It was by the musical duo Sapan Jagmohan, who were not very prolific, but they came out with some absolutely lovely tunes. The lyricist was the great Shailendra himself. So in this particular movie, and Shailendra ji has done this several times for different movies, he has picked the third couplet from Mirza Ghalib's very famous Ye na thi hamari kismat ke visale yaar hota. So he has taken the couplet which says, It's very interesting, the picturization too. You have the Taj Mahal in the background. Shailesh Kumar is in the front, and you hear Rafi Saab's voice. I mean, Shailesh Kumar is obviously lip syncing here, but Rafi Saab's voice coming out with Tere Teere Neem Kash Ko Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche Ye Khalish Kahan Se Hoti Jo Jigar Ke Paar Hota. So, what Shailendra ji has done is he wants to expound on this theme of sadness and separation from your love. So he's gone on to write the most exquisite song, Phir wo bhooli si yaad aayi hai. It's absolutely gorgeous.
तेरे तीरे नीम कश को कोई मेरे दिल से पूछे ये खलिश कहाँ से होती जो जिगर के पार होता फिर वो भूली सी याद आई है ऐ ग़मे दिल तेरी दुहाई है ऐ ग़मे दिल तेरी दुहाई है फिर वो भूली सी याद आई है फिर वो भूली सी याद आई है बात इतनी सी है कहानी में बात इतनी सी है कहानी में हम भी मारे गए जवानी में हम भी मारे गए जवानी में आग सीने में खुद लगाई है फिर वो भूली सी याद आई है फिर वो भूली सी याद आई है
Love in Tokyo came out in 1966. Asha Parekh, Joy Mukherjee in the lead. Awesome movie, rom-com, full of fun, shot in Japan. All of that stuff was very fascinating at that time. And the music, Shankar Jaikishan, Hasrat Jaipuri, Shailendra ji. So here, I mean, you wouldn't think that there would be any kind of stealing of lyrics, so to speak. But Hasrat Jaipuri actually borrowed from Momin Khan Momin. So he wrote, Momin that is, wrote, "Tum mere paas hote ho goya, koi dusra nahi hota." So what Hasrat ji did was he changed this to "O mere shah-e khoba, o meri jane janana, tum mere paas na hote to koi dusra nahi hota." And it's a tandem song in the movie. You have both Rafi Saab singing it as well as Lata ji.
ओ मेरे शाह खुबा ओ मेरी जान जनाना तुम मेरे पास होते हो कोई दूसरा नहीं होता तुम मेरे पास होते हो कोई दूसरा नहीं होता ओ मेरे शाह खुबा ओ मेरी जान जनाना तुम मेरे पास होते हो कोई दूसरा नहीं होता अब ख्यालों की धूप ढलती है, हर कदम पर शमा सी जलती है। मेरा साया जिधर भी जाता है, तेरी तस्वीर साथ चलती है। ओ मेरे शाह खुदा, ओ मेरी जान जनाना, तुम मेरे पास होते हो कोई दूसरा नहीं होता, तुम मेरे पास होते हो कोई दूसरा नहीं होता.
Interestingly enough, Qamar Jalalabadi has used a different couplet from the very same ghazal that I quoted for the previous song by Momin. This was from Rustam and Sohrab. It was a story based on the famous Persian poet Ferdowsi's story of the king Rustam and his son Sohrab. It was called the Shahnameh. And Prithviraj Kapoor as Rustam, Premnath as Sohrab, and Suraya Ji is paired opposite Prithviraj Kapoor, and Mumtaz is paired opposite Premnath. This movie, spoiler alert for all of you if you don't know, is a tragedy. Very, very well made, well acted, and the music, of course, was fabulous. Sajjad Hussain and Qamar Jalalabadi and Janisar Akhtar. This particular song was Qamar Jalalabadi. The situation is where Sohrab's army, they're taking a break, and the soldiers are singing this song, but Sohrab is also in the scene and he is also reminiscing about his love. So the couplet that was borrowed, it is sort of the first two lines of the verse, of the first verse in this song. So the lines are, Haale dil yaar ko likhun kyun kar, haath dil se juda nahi hota. That's the beginning of this verse, and the song is Phir Tumhari Yaad Aayi Ae Sanam, and it's been sung, it's like a chorus, and Manada, Rafi Saab and Saadat Khan singing. Very charming song.
फिर तुम्हारी याद आई ऐ सनम, ऐ सनम, फिर तुम्हारी याद आई ऐ सनम, ऐ सनम, हम न भूलेंगे तुम्हें अल्लाह कसम, हम न भूलेंगे तुम्हें अल्लाह कसम. हाल दिल यार को लिखूं कैसे, हाथ दिल से जुदा नहीं होता. किस तरह उनको बताएं अपना गम है सनम, किस तरह उनको बताएं अपना गम है सनम, हम न भूलेंगे तुम्हें अल्लाह कसम, हम न भूलेंगे तुम्हें अल्लाह कसम.
So we come back to Shailendra Ji again. Jaagte Raho came out in 1956. Raj Kapoor movie, brilliant movie. I think one of his best movies. Salil Chaudhary's music. And Shailendra Ji, of course, with the lyrics. He has taken this Kabir Doha in the beginning of a song. And the song is a drunk man singing, but a very, very philosophical song. It's a brilliantly written song. So the Doha comes at the beginning. Rangi ko narangi kahe, bane doodh ko khoya, chalti ko gaadi kahe, dekh kabira roya. Then Mukesh Ji's voice comes in with Zindagi Khwab Hai. On screen, it's the brilliant Motilal playing the drunk. And then to enhance the whole thing, One, you have Shailendra ji, who had the amazing ability to use very simple language, just like Kabir, to express very complex philosophical nuggets to people. And the other part, it's very interesting again, the director has decided to emphasize this whole Kabir kind of theme with the drunk addressing a poster of Kabir that's been tacked onto a lamppost at the beginning of the Antara. It is so brilliant. Zindagi khwab hai.
Zindagi khwab hai, khwab mein jhoot kya, aur bhala sach hai kya. Zindagi khwab hai, khwab mein झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. सब सच है. जिंदगी ख्वाब है. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा हमने वैसा ही किया. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा हमने वैसा ही किया. फिर कभी फुर्सत से सोचेंगे बुरा था या भला. जिंदगी ख्वाब है, ख्वाब में झूठ क्या और भला सच है क्या. जिंदगी ख्वाब है.
So for my last song, I've picked one where Gulzar Saab has borrowed some lines from the very famous poet from the Delhi Sultanate times, early Delhi Sultanate times, Amir Khusrau. He, interestingly, was the son of a Turkmen who was a nobleman in the court, and an Indian local native Indian woman. He is also considered the father of the ghazal form of poetry. He was a disciple of the famous Sufi Nizamuddin Auliya. He's written some fabulous poetry, mainly wrote in Persian because that was a court language, but he also wrote in Hindvi, especially his later compositions were in Hindvi. This is considered a language that was sort of the ancestor to current day Urdu. This particular ghazal that he's written, he combines Persian with Hindvi. And Gulzar Saab has taken the first couple of lines and then added his own and gone on to elaborate for the movie Ghulami. This movie was, I think, came out in mid-80s. It was sort of a rant against the whole feudal landlord system and so on. Not a great movie in my opinion. Dharmendra and Reena Roy and Smita Patil are sort of in a love triangle in the movie. Then you have Mithun Chakravarti and Anita Raj forming another couple. I don't know, it was just not composed and directed well in my opinion. I didn't enjoy it, let's say that. So I'll give you both versions of the song, or the lines rather, that were picked. The song in the movie Ghulami was sung by Lataji and Shabir Kumar. It's a duet. So here we go. Amir Khusro's lines are: Zehale miski makun tagaful, doraye naina banaye batiyan. So the first two parts are in Persian and then you have Hindvi. So it means don't ignore the plight of this poor desperate person who is not meeting your eyes and just making stories in his head. Kitabe hijran nadaram ejan. So this means being apart is so unbearable, my love. Ejan na lehu kahe lagaye chatiya. Why are you not taking me and hugging me and holding me close to you? That's the second part of it. So in Sufi literature, this is considered a plea to the divine. So he wrote it from that kind of point of view. It's not a love song here. He's actually referring to the divine as his love, which was very common in Sufi poetry because they considered themselves to be in love with God. So what Gulzar Saab did, he changed this version a little bit, and it's Zehale Maski Makum Baranjish Bahale Hijra Bechara Dil Hai, which means the heart is just filled with sorrow, Ranjish, because of separation. Behale Hijra, Hijra is to separate from the beloved. So like I said, Lataji and Shabbir Kumar, it's a duet, they've sung it. It's picturized on Mithun and Anita Raj in the movie Zehale Maski.
शाम रंगीन हो गई है, जरा जरा सी खिली तबीयत जरा सी गमगीन हो गई है,
जरा जरा सी खिली तबीयत जरा सी गमगीन हो गई है। ज़िहाए मस्ती मकुल बरंजिश बहारे हिजरा बेचारा दिल है,
सुनाई देती है जिसकी धड़कन तुम्हारा दिल या हमारा दिल है.
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the episode. There are plenty of other these kind of examples. Gulzar Saab himself, Shailendra ji has got several. Majroo Saab. So many people have borrowed, and it was a very common practice. As always, I would love your feedback, your suggestions, and also for you to go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and spread the word amongst your family and friends. I'll be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.